Okay, so this board create a very weird problem. I turn it off and keep it for 2 days and again turn it on. I disconnected the battery, but it does not work. And it also happened like 2 days before. I had to like spend my entire day. So I think this board and this thing, the way it connect, the way it work, the drivers, see here it cannot find the driver. বদনাম করবো না কেন? This one, if I try to do anything, connect, so I tried all the solution available but nothing work. So the ST, they need to think about their way of dealing with this kind of board and solution, because I see many people have the similar problem but they do not care, and I waste my 3-4 days for nothing, because from here we cannot find anything.